All right, here we go. Good luck, Lucas. Home run over you. Get a box of 2015 Topps UFC champions. Good luck, señor. Buena suerte. Let's get one of the fighters, one of the two fighters on the front of the box. That'd be great. Victoria and Tara. Trinado Silver. Oh, it's a white redemption. Is he white? Oh, it's a championship clashes one. Anthony Pettis. It's a nice one. Insert autograph. The random A silver. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Very nice. Anthony Pettis, championship clashes. Insert auto. Was it number what? 49 or something like that? Wow, what a box. 40 of 50. Thug Rose. Namajunas. Very nice. Demetrius out of 188. Poster. Max Holloway. Look at that. Speaking of Holloway, out of 88 blue. That's tough. I don't know who you give him. Scott Jorgensen. Yeah, before she cut her hair. Angela Hill out of 188. Is Angela Hill still the champion? Namajunas out of 188. I think I asked last time. Nobody answered me. Poster. Stevens. Cote. One more auto coming. Where are you? Autograph. Do that one. You'll get that one, Anthony Pettis. Nice. Hector Lombard out of 88. Frankie Science out of 188. Oh, we're going to save that. We are going to save that. Okay, Philly. Gunnar Nelson out of 88. Hungus is not at one, dude. I'll be happy. Benil Dariush out of 188. Poster. Jamie Manua out of 88. Two redemptions in one box. Yeah. And Joanne Calderwood. And that one. Alright, here we go. Good luck, man. Oops, wrong stack for you. There you go. Congratulations. You are due to receive a fighter autograph of Jose Aldo. Dan Henderson out of 188. 8/31/17. Look at the cut on that card. Look how the card is cut. Nice little box though. Jose Aldo, Scott Jorgensen. You had the Thug Rose, 40/50. And then the Anthony Pettis. That should be out of 50 also, I believe. Very nice. Good stuff. Thank you, Lucas. Congrats, man. You'll do one more? Sounds good. What's up, Sanders? Sanders, I flew through that 2017 Stars and Stripes. I hope so. We have 10 teams left. Right? Yeah, 10 teams left in this. Nope. Just you. I have no idea what he's annoying you about, but just you. See, annoying you about? We left again. All right. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Good luck. Buena suerte. Lucas. Whatever that show was. I have no idea what I did with them. Let's go, Lucas. Come on. Goyito Silver. Yeah, we did some James Bond. Dustin Poirier. Oh, a gold. Gold right behind it, too. Dustin Poirier. And then your gold is Renan Barão. 20/25. That's Renan Barão. Yeah, we pulled 2 Richard Keels. Cub Swanson out of 188. And 2 cases that were inscribed the same way. And then you're guaranteed a Roger Moore per case. Guida. So that was pretty cool too. Speaking of which, I gotta start shooting Josh. Salmon, Silver, Oliveira. Yeah. I thought it was last year. Todd Duffy, blue. Cody Elkins, Darren Elkins, sorry. Darren Elkins out of 88, blue. 2014, oh wow. Holly Holmes, silver. Sparza, Dustin Poirier out of 188. Gian Viante out of 188. Yeah, you did sign that. Moraga silver. Bigfoot silver. Jessica Penne. Nice autograph. Then you got Khabib Nurmagomedov out of 188. What is this dude fighting again? Oh, that's right. He didn't make weight, huh? Paige Van Zandt out of 188. Pua silver. Poster Machida Weidman, Ovin St. Preux out of 188. Yeah, he was great in Happy Gilmore. Yeah, Sakuraba into the Hall of Fame. Michael Kisa silver. Yuri Alcantara out of 88. And 2 more autos to go. Gian Vellante. Ryan LaFleur out of 188. And Paige Van Zandt. First autograph. TVZ, very nice. That number. Betch Correa, and the last one has some championship clashes and a silver Bader. Very nice. You do. Nice little box there. Good stuff. So your 2 boxes had Paige Van Zandt, Gian Vellante, Jessica Pena, Dustin Poirier, Anthony Pettis, Rose Namajunas, Scott Jorgensen, and Jose Aldo as far as your autographs. Very nice. Thank you, Lucas. Appreciate it as always.